Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by forcing the system into recovery so you can run a full restore from boot. Hold Shift while selecting Restart, or press the motherboard key repeatedly to open the boot menu. Choose your recovery USB or Windows recovery environment. Once done, select Troubleshoot then Advanced Options. Make sure to pick System Restore as the first recovery tool. This path loads restore points without booting into the failed OS, giving you a clean environment to repair. You now pick the actual restore point and run the procedure. Read the description and select the latest point taken before the problem. Click Scan for affected programs to understand changes. Once you confirm, click Next and Finish to start the restore. This initiates file and registry rollback from the chosen snapshot. Make sure to keep the machine powered and avoid interrupting the operation. The environment applies changes offline, so the OS state is consistent when it restarts. You finish by validating the restore and addressing any remaining issues. After the reboot, check that your desktop, drivers, and key applications work. Run Windows Update and update drivers if necessary. If the restore fails or the problem persists, boot back to recovery, attempt system restore from safe mode, or select a different restore point. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect the restore log in the recovery environment and event viewer for precise error codes. That directs the next corrective action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.